Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 Range Rover Evoque. And from any screen, you've got the telephone symbol there, and you've got settings there. If you click the settings, you've got Bluetooth. I can scroll up and down like so, but Bluetooth's there. So we click Bluetooth. Bluetooth, search for Bluetooth devices, make system discoverable, list of paired devices. That's what I want, list of paired devices. If I click that, you'll see Barry's iPhone 11 there. Click on that, rename Barry's iPhone, delete pairing, connect for phone. So delete pairing, yes. Nice and simple.